Every year in May, something wild happens in Europe. There's glitter, weird dancing, crazy outfits, and songs that stay in your head for days. It's called Eurovision. A big music contest where countries from all over Europe and even Australia send one singer or group to perform live. Let's dive in and see the strange reason why Eurovision is actually important. At first, Eurovision just looks fun. And it is fun. But behind the music, there's something deeper going on. Eurovision started after World War II. Europe had been through a lot, and people wanted a way to bring countries together without politics or fighting. So, they picked music. Today, Eurovision is more than just singing. It shows what's happening in the world, especially in Europe. When Ukraine performs, people pay attention. When a drag queen or trans singer wins, it starts conversations. When countries vote for or don't vote for each other, it says something. It's kind of like politics, with sparkles. Eurovision is also one of the only events where so many countries do the same thing at the same time. Watching, singing, voting. It helps people feel connected, even if they don't speak the same language. Eurovision brings people together. That's why it matters. Thanks for watching. If you like this, hit like and subscribe for more cool stories like this one. See you in the next video.